that Weston accidentally suffocated her. Almost ludicrous to think that she would drink while on a photo shoot, especially when thinking she had an interview with a television program that was scheduled for later that evening, if she would compromise herself. Then Rathbun delivered a bombshell. He claimed his sexual encounter with Linda that day wasn't forced at all, sensual consensual, and he claimed to have nude photographs to prove it.
32 shampoo. I love how my color thinks skin. Now, new Everpure. L'Oreal's first shampoo for your fresh focus and soft Everpure Daily Stick. Rich lather so pure and affects every skin. L'Oreal's new Everpure. colored pictures. 12 images on the dashboard of the vehicle, and 11 images which were thinly isolated and photographic of female genitalia. You see their head, their face, and their body, just hands in a couple shots, and primarily close-up of female genitalia.
The mystery of this was clouded by the water damage. We've only seen bits and pieces of these various claims of their photographs.
According to the defense, pictures indicated that Winchester had engaged in consensual sexual behavior with the defendant on the day that this is pictures of the vehicle moving to the street light.
But words or photographs of Linda Silva. With the help of the Sheriff Photo Lab and the aerospace company, the pictures were enhanced.
The Notice Corporation scanned the images and associated the 3-day oil or pixel by pixel the significance of what we were seeing.
In the background, you can see some of the elements of the automobile's dashboard. But the logo on the steering wheel was not that of a Lexus. It was an Oldsmobile prototype that photographed on a previous model.
The steering wheel on the question vehicle has highly different logos with the Lexus. It has cruise control, the English steering wheel, the Lexus vehicle does not have.
But words and news pictures of Linda. Investigators compared the body of the woman in the photograph to pictures taken during Linda's autopsy.
What's clear that this was not a throwback. And in no way did it show any kind of consensual act. It just was wrong. The car seat was wrong. The hands that you see in those pictures have a very sexual appearance and don't appear to be consistent with how it's done.
And prosecutors did not believe Rathbun's accident scenario. They suspected that when Rathbun was taking photographs that day, for Linda, it was a job. For Rathbun, an opportunity. The forensic evidence suggested that Rathbun struck her on the right side of the head, twisted Linda's arm, tied her ankles, and sexually assaulted her, possibly with his gun.
I'm very tired. I'm not going to go back inside until...
Stop.